All right, there we go. All right, this is my Chromebook. This is my layout. Nice, beautiful wallpaper. I did the daily wallpapers. You right click. I'm using the mouse, so you right click, and you go to set wallpaper. All right. So I'm doing the cityscapes currently set, and I do the daily refresh. So all you gotta do is hit the refresh button, and it'll change something in the background. I hope you guys can hear me. Let me know how this goes. But they also got landscapes, composition, leisure, dessert time, colors, solid colors, or not solid colors, but colors. These are solid colors. And you can do the daily refresh with the solid colors. Go to images. They got different art papers. Basically, Google's wallpapers and stuff like that. And you can hit the explore to explore, and you go to the website. It'll send you to the website. As you can see, all right. So this is the actual website where you can go get these and find out who they're from, the photographers, stuff like that. So yeah, check that out. Now let me exit out of that real quick. And this is my Story Express. My first time using uh, this extension.